Hello, today is Tuesday, September 6th, NQ price action. So after the market opened today, we saw the price went down to this level here. And from here, the price did couple steps and went back to this level here, which we had a range before. Now I'm thinking there is a trend line level here. If the price holds around here and holds the moving average here, then we may see a jump, a pullback to the moving average, and then we may see another jump to reach that or test this high level here. And on the other side of the price action, if we see the price breaks this moving average and that trend line, may do a retest and then test that 50 SMA, and if it fails on the 50 SMA, we may see some more down move here. So those are the thought process before this trade set up here. So on the 800 chart here, we have again top of the range right now, and now we have a small channel formed and price is trying to break this level here. Now look like that the price is gonna retest the moving average here, and then I'm looking right now what will price action will be doing here. If it's gonna do a retest here to the moving average and then bounce off from here and take off, or if it's gonna come here, test, and then we see a full red bar here, and then we may see another green bar, which some buyers may try to buy it from that level here, and if they fail, then we may see another red, and then went underneath this level and the moving averages. So if that case, then it may trigger for me to short entry here, which also I am looking at that moving average, 21 moving average on the 4000 chart, because that is pretty much around the same level that trend line here. Yeah, so we may see a bounce from this level. Okay, now the price is testing that moving average, 25 moving average here. Okay, now I see some buyers, they are buying from this level here. See those, the prices going up, going up. Yeah, there are some buyers here for sure that they are buying from here, and that wick right here, it shows that there are some buyers definitely stepped in here. Now I can expect that the price may come here, may do another test, and then price needs to go up higher this level here, because they retested and then they buy it from the retest, and then now they need to continue this move. And around here there are some buyers and their stops right around here. And again, this is the 4000 chart level here. There are some sellers again, they are trying to push this. Now the buyers needs to pick this up again. If this prints like a full red bar, that's not a good sign for the buyers, because there are some buyers here, their stop loss areas here. Okay, so that is a red bar, not almost, but is pretty big size red bar there. And from here they need to hold this level here for the buyers. If you enter it here as a buyer, you don't want to see this price went down underneath this moving average here. Yeah, that's not a good sign there. Yep, the price is coming down and it's a full red bar there. That is trigger some of the stop losses here. So right around here I decided to enter, because this area here is where the buyers that they entered here, usually they are exiting their positions here. And this level here, there are some more buyers, they try to buy from here. Okay, testing that Vwap here. This is the Vwap line here. Okay, on the 4,000 chart, that we are under that moving average and under that trend line here. They are retesting that Vwap area here again. Okay, the price is getting close to that 50 SMA here on the 4,000 chart. So I am planning to take my profits around this level here, because usually price may do a bounce here and continue.
Target filled.
Okay, that's my first target there, right around this bottom of this range here. Okay, we are getting close to that 50 SMA test here, so I bring my stop loss lower underneath that VWAP area, and maybe this around here I may take my second profit there. Yeah, that was a close one there. Yeah, after that my exit area here, the price went down more and went into the channel here, and after this channel break it also went another, need this 50 SMA here. Lower my stop loss entry here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, and stop me out there. Yeah, after that my exit area here, the price went down more and went into the channel here, and after this channel break it also went another leg to test this low here. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.